Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims economic questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to eliminate the statements. Okay, and how to go for an answer. Okay, let's begin the session. See, first of all, by pattern wise, this question is an easy one. Okay, and also it is purely based on the factual part. Okay, let's begin it. Okay, with reference to the Pradhan Mantri KAUSHAL VIKAS YOJANA, consider the following statement. It is the flagship scheme of Ministry of Labour and Employment. Okay, there itself it is making a wrong statement. Okay, first of all, KAUSHAL means it's a skill. Okay, so it is comes under the Ministry of Skill Development. Okay, so eliminate one. So you can either go for do to statement B or C. Okay, so then you have to find whether the third statement is right or wrong. Okay, it aims to align the competency of the unregulated workforce of the country to the national skill qualification framework. It's obviously right. Okay, then without reading the second statement, you can easily answer it as a 2 and 3. Okay, now we are going to discuss about what is this Pradhan Mantri KAUSHAL VIKAS YOJANA. Okay, it is the flagship program of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Okay, implemented by the National Skill Development Corporation. Okay, it is fees are paid completely by the governments. Okay, the training program given by the Pradhan Mantri KAUSHAL VIKAS YOJANA is fully beared by the governments. Okay, so the funding is actually shared between the state government and central government as 50-50. This may be the question in the upcoming prelims. Okay, the funding will be 50-50. Okay, and then the objective is to enable the Indian youth to take up the industry related skills training that will help them in the securing the better livelihood. Okay, actually 2021 to 2026 is the Pradhan Mantri KAUSHAL VIKAS YOJANA 3.0 time period. Okay, it is actually started in 2005. Okay, so now it is actually in the 3.0. Okay, so there is certain target of providing this much skill to the this much people. Okay, so that thing is the their target. Okay, so please read it. Okay, there may be question from that also. Okay, here I listed certain things about the year funding activities. Okay, so please read that also. Okay, thank you.